Okay, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how do we place an object on the oblique projection, all right? In the last video, we looked at how we move from a two-dimensional view to a three-dimensional view, and we use oblique projection. All right, so looking at the front elevation, right? The cylinder has something like a rectangle on it, all right? So based on the measurements, this is what we will do. From the center going up, gonna go up, press enter. Then we're gonna draw a line at 45. Alright, so go there. What's the length of the thing? Well, I think it's 120. Isn't it 120? Alright. Alright, so we have drawn we went up and went across at 45 degrees, right? Alright, what we're gonna do is now is mark out 20 along here. 20 and 20 along there, right? All right, we need 10 going this way. Yes. Then we need we need 10 going that way. Yes. Right? Enter. And from up here now, we need a line there coming. What would be the length coming down? 20. Right? Then we're gonna come across 10. What happened there? So no. Uh, we're gonna come now. Line there. Right, we're coming down. The length should be 20. Take off this R. So coming down, it should be 20. Good. Then the angle going across, the length for this horizontal line going across would be 10. Right? Can delete this line. It's no longer needed again. Right? Then we're gonna go line again. Going across 10. Right? Then we're gonna connect this here now. So this will be the bottom part of the rectangle. See? Enter, enter. There. There. Alright, are you seeing it? Good. Then we're gonna do what's the height of this thing there? 21. So we're gonna come again. Line. Go up. We will what? 21. Right? Coming across we will what? 20. And going back down would be what? 21. Everybody see that? We're gonna do the same thing up the end here. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna go up 21. We're gonna come across 20. I'm gonna go down back 21. Alright? All we need to do is just draw the line now. Alright, so let's come so there to there, enter, there to there, enter, and there is the if it looks like a handle resting on top of the cylinder. So that's why you would put an object on the rectangle. Alright? What we're gonna do now, alright, so here is our finished product. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. In today's lesson, we looked at how we move from a two-dimensional drawing to a three-dimensional drawing, and we use oblique projection to represent the three-dimensional drawing. So I hope your drawing was fabulous as it is, right? And thanks for watching. And in the next video, I believe we're looking at conic section. So see you in the next video.